Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling on the process to create your Duolingo account? Well, if you are, then this video is made for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Duolingo account. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is go to our Play Store app and download your Duolingo app. Once you have downloaded your Duolingo app, you'll have to simply tap on the app. Duolingo is an app that allows you to learn many languages. Duolingo has many different languages that you can learn in easy manner through your smartphone. Duolingo has created an easy platform for people to learn new language and to get access towards new language. Now, since we have a better idea on what Duolingo is, let's get right into our video. Here, after opening your Duolingo app, here you'll get about two options, that is get started and I already have an account. If you already have an account, then you can simply tap on the I already have an account option. Here you'll have to tap on the get started option. After that, here it is the introduction page and tap on continue. After that, here you'll be asked what language that you would like to learn. Choose your preferred one, then tap on continue. Here you'll be asked how did you hear about Duolingo. You can choose your preferred one. Here you'll be asked why are you learning this certain language that you're trying to learn, and you'll get about 6 options. You can choose your preferred one. Then here you'll be asked what's your daily learning goal, and it starts from 3 minutes a day to 30 minutes a day, and in between we have 10 minutes and 15 minutes. You can choose your preferred one and tap on continue. Then here it is said that now let's find the best place to start. You'll get about two options, that is learning certain language for the first time, already know some certain language, so tap on your preferred one and tap on continue. Here you'll be set that time to create a profile. Now here you'll have to create a profile. You can choose to create your profile right now or later. Tap on create profile. Here you'll have to type in your age. On the below you get about two options, that is Facebook and Google. You can also create your account using these two social media platforms. For now I'll be using the other method. Then here you'll have to type in your name and tap on continue. Then here you'll have to give in your email address and once again tap on continue. Then here you'll have to create a password. Make sure to create a password that is secure enough and something that you can remember easily. Then here, as you can see, your profile has been successfully created. Tap on continue. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully created your account in Duolingo. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.